The topic we are going to tackle in the next few videos is one of the more nasty topics you encounter as a developer, and it's usually known as merge conflicts. If you worked with version control systems like Git and you're already comfortable in dealing with merge conflicts, you can probably skip this video. What is a merge conflict? Before we see one in Unity, let's first try to understand the general problem. And for that, I like to use analogies to cooking because there are certain similarities compared to software development. To be more precise, we are not really cooking. Instead, we want to make a great cake. We don't know what cake we want to make, so we start developing a recipe and want to use version control to store the recipe. For the first step, flour is always a good idea for a cake, so we add it. And now we are not really sure how to continue and want to test out some variations. We know that version control is great for that, so we create a new branch, which we call recipe variation. Now for our original recipe, we know that we want to add some sugar to our cake. But for the variation, we rather want to experiment with salt, which must be a great cake, by the way. After testing both versions, we would like to bring the recipes together. But this is not that simple anymore. What should a version control system like Plastic do in such a situation? It cannot automatically decide for us whether we want salt or sugar, or maybe both. An automated merge is not possible. We hit a merge conflict. Now in this case, it is not a really hard conflict because Plastic will just ask us what we want and we will have to decide. We could even set up some automation for cases like that, which might always accept the propositions from one branch or from the other. Or we could even tell Plastic to always accept both changes as long as they are not contradicting. This process is called conflict resolution. And once we resolve the conflict, we would end up with the sugar version or the salt version or the version with both ingredients. It can get worse, however, because we might decide that adding salt to a cake is insane and instead just play around with the amount of sugar we want to add. So for example, in the base recipe, we might add 2 spoons of sugar, and in the variation, we might add 4. When we now try to merge, there is no way to accept both changes because they are contradicting. It only makes sense to have 2 or 4 spoons of sugar in a recipe. We cannot somehow have both. This is a very typical situation where 2 different branches touched the same piece of asset or script. Imagine that this could be a setting asset in Unity, where one version sets a value to 2 and another version sets it to 4. Obviously, the effect in the game might be very different, so we would have to manually interfere. And that is exactly what we will look at next. What are the typical conflicts in Unity? How can you avoid some of them? And if nothing else helps, how can you manually resolve them?